Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your 3D Bitmoji background in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your Bitmoji at the top left. So I have my profile page opened and this is my 3D Bitmoji. So if I swipe down from here, let me do that. You can see this is my 3D Bitmoji and currently I have this background. So in order to change your 3D Bitmoji background, you have to come to this menu and then tap on this pose and background. So let me tap on this and I have this backgrounds, this option selected, and second option we have is poses. Okay. So if you have this option selected like poses, just tap on this backgrounds. Okay, and you can see here we have various backgrounds, and also you can scroll down, you can see various backgrounds we have. So just go to the option that you want and then tap on it to select it. So suppose if I want this background, then I need to tap on it. Let me tap on this and you can see it's now selected, and here we have this background. So let me select another background. Okay, let me select this. Let me tap on this. You can see it's now selected, and here we have this background. Okay, and after that just tap on this save this button at the top right. So I want this background, so let me tap on this save this button at the top right. It's a saving, and you can see guys the background of 3D Bitmoji has been changed. So it's now done. After that just tap on this cross link over here. Let me tap on this. So that's it. In this way you can easily change your 3D Bitmoji background in Snapchat on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.